The civil authorities have issued a nuclear power plant warning for the Palo Verde nuclear power plant from reactor number 2 at 11:39 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time.
A mandatory evacuation has been issued from the explosion from the Palo Verde nuclear power plant from reactor number 2. Authorities say that force that exploded the nuclear power plant was from a creature called a demon.
A child has been abducted. Repeat, a child has been abducted. Sioux Falls, South Dakota residents should stop water usage immediately. Please stop flushing toilets, washing clothes, or using showers. Only use water for drinking purposes.
The following message has been transmitted by the request of the South Dakota Emergency Management Agency. The water backups in the whole state of South Dakota is now canceled. Repeat, the water backups in the whole state of South Dakota is now canceled. It has been found that one of the demons have been causing these water backups by putting chemicals in the water supply. We thank you for your cooperation. Bottled water is no longer required. You may now drink South Dakota's water supply.
We all deserve more summer. So DQ is bringing you 2 summer favorites in one.
National Weather Service in Kansas has issued a freeze warning for all of Kansas until 7:39 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Unusual cold temperatures have been spotted in the state of Kansas and some of the surrounding areas, as temperatures are reaching to half of an absolute zero temperature level.
Dude, I have invented a board game!
Cool! How do you play?
First, you roll 32 dice. Remember that number. Then take 17 action cards.
Okay.
Unless it's Wednesday. On Wednesday, you roll 30 dice and go straight to Quadrant Alpha! Let's play!
What do I have to lose?
Just the next 3 days.
You can find more fun at goldfishfun.com. Ask your parents' permission.
The snack that smiles back, goldfish.
This is a Pacific Wide Alert. Tune to channel 339 for instructions. We are under attack. Repeating, we are under attack. The demons have launched 4 nuclear missiles heading towards the following areas: Hollywood, California, Area 51, Nevada, Portland, Oregon, and Seattle, Washington. These are expected to hit in the next 5 hours, which will give you time to evacuate. If there is no way to evacuate in your area, seek shelter and pack emergency supplies. The green glowing represent areas of fallout. Oregon and Washington state will be sealed because their fallout was also calculated to come to the ocean to cause water contamination. If you are seeking shelter, seek fallout shelter for 14 days. If there is no fallout shelter near you, seek underground shelter. If there are no shelters at all, gather with your family and loved ones and prepare for your death. There is no way to survive this except for evacuating or seeking shelter. Get 2 weeks' worth of food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, and a battery-powered radio to tune into this situation. Make your shelter as comfortable as possible, as you will be staying there for 14 days. Because once you get in, you can't go back until an all-clear alert has been given.
This is a Pacific-wide alert. All programming satellites in California, Nevada, Oregon, and Washington state have shut down. This is Xfinity. We will continue to serve these states. This message will repeat until all nuclear missiles exploded.
Transmitted by the request of the United States government. All demons have been causing more hellish events throughout the whole United States. In the eastern time zones, nuclear power plants exploded, which caused loads of fallout to spread. In the central time zones, bone-chilling temperatures have been spotted. In the mountain time zones, children have been abducted. A power plant in Arizona exploded, and a fire has spread throughout all mountain time states. Lastly, in the Pacific time areas, nuclear missiles hit all Pacific states. These happened not just in the United States, but in the entire world. This event now has a name. It has now been named as Hell. This is not a mythology. Repeat, this is not a mythology. It has also been calculated that the demons are now making gigantic fissures throughout Earth. These fissures deliver people straight to the underworld. This event is unsurvivable, and we will all die. Repeat, this event is unsurvivable, and we will all die. The President has already been killed due to this event. It is advised that all people gather with their loved ones and wait for their eventual death. The national anthem will play for the final time. for the free gift of God and his eternal life. My soul awaits. May God bless the United States of America. Furthermore, the world.